Hello YouTube, Goondock Saint here with another disassembly. Here I got my MPA Defender in 9mm. Like always, check the chamber, make sure it's clear, pull the trigger, and on the left we got this safety pin up front. I'm going to just get that safety pin out. And on the right is the other pin. Sometimes you need a tool. I always hold the gun lower and top half, and then you push this pin out, and then the gun wants to go forward. You pull that apart and pull this all the way to the back here, and pull your charging handle up. Notice how there is a groove. There is a groove in this charging handle, and then there is a little pin that groove sits on. You gotta line that up when going back. But ready for cleaning. And going back, line that hole up. Get your charging handle, line it up, push it down, go forward, and then on the lower half, make sure you reset the trigger. So if you don't do that, the gun won't function when you put it back together. And slide this in. Slide that in, pull it back, push your pin on the right in place, put the safety pin in, and check for function, which it works. There you go.